Welcome to Math with Mrs. Bibb. Today we're going to solve radical equations. A radical equation has a variable in a radicand. To solve a radical equation, get the radical on one side of the equation alone with the radicand on the other side. To eliminate the radical, raise each side of the equation to a power equal to the root, and then you solve. So if you'll please pause and write down those steps. Example 1. We have the square root of 3x minus 5 plus 2 equals 6. So I need to get my radicand alone. My radicand is this. This needs to be alone. I need to get rid of plus 2. So I will subtract 2 to get rid of plus 2. So the square root of 3x minus 5 is going to equal 4. And now I want to raise both sides to a power of 2, which is the same as my root. That gets rid of my radicand, so 3x minus 5 equals 16. Add 5. 3x equals 21. Divide by 3. X equals 7. For example 2, we have 4 times the quantity 2x plus 6 to the 1/3 minus 9 equals 3. Well, I thought we were going to have radicals, Miss Bibb. Well, we do. This is actually 4 times the cube root of 2x plus 6 minus 9 equals 3. So we want to get our radicand alone. So I want to get rid of the minus 9 and the plus and the multiply by 4. So I'm going to add 9. 4 times the cube root of 2x plus 6 equals 12. Divide by 4. So the cube root of 2x plus 6 is equal to 3. Then I'm going to raise both sides to the third power. The cube of 2x plus 6 cubed is 2x plus 6 equals 27. Subtract 6. So 2x equals 21. Divide by 2. X will equal 21 over 2. And that's my answer for example 2. Extraneous solutions. What in the world are extraneous solutions? They are solutions that would not satisfy the original equation. Solutions that would not satisfy the original equation. I didn't mention those in the first two because there are no extraneous solutions for that first one, but let's look at this example. The square root of x plus 21 equals 3 minus the square root of x. Well, one of your biggest hints is there's a radical on both sides, so I have to square both sides. Raise both sides to the second power. The square of x plus 21, the square root of x plus 21 is x plus 21. And if I square 3 minus the square root of x, I'm going to get x plus 21 equals 9. I'm doing 3 times 3 minus the square root of x minus x times 3 minus the square root of x. So 9 minus 3 square root of x, then minus 3 square root of x, and plus x, because negative times a negative is a positive. X squared, square root of x squared is x. Then I am going to subtract 9 from both sides and subtract x. So 12 is going to equal negative 6 times the square root of x. Now I'm going to divide both sides by negative 6. So negative 2 is going to equal the square root of x. Then to find out what x is, you square both sides. So x will equal 4. That is my final answer. Now actually I take that back. Can 4 be the answer? Let me rewind that. Hold on. I'll take that box away. Okay, so can 4 be the answer? Let's go back to the original problem. The square root of 4 plus 21, does that equal 3 minus the square root of 4? So the square root of 4 plus 21 is square root of 25. Does that equal 3 minus 2? Well, that side gives me 1. Square root of 25 is 5. No, they do not equal. So that means this is not my solution. It's an extraneous solution, and there's not a solution to this problem, so there's no solution because of that being an extraneous solution. My advice would be to always check every answer to make sure that they work and satisfy your original problem. I believe that's it. I hope you have a wonderful day.